Hey, thanks for tuning in. On today's tasting experience, we're going to be doing something rather cool. So I got this as a wonderful Christmas present from Kelly, and big shout out to her for today's content. So I want to give a big shout out to smokeboards.com because this has got to be one of the coolest things I've come across as someone who enjoys drinking bourbons and whiskeys and scotches and things like that. And always having something to smoke always heightens the whole experience. So what we have here is their actual smoke kit, which comes in a really cool nifty bag. It's pretty spacious. It's got pockets on here that you can, put extra tools in. Pretty spacious, good quality. So I do like that. It's very sturdy. Let me set that down. The next thing that it comes with is an actual mini torch. Now, the sad news is they can't ship it with butane, so you are going to have to get the butane to do that. But you're in luck because I carry my own. So we're going to be using that. So this is really nice. It's got a really good grip to it, real easy to fire it off. It feels like quality. It's nice, good. It feels like aluminum, like real sturdy aluminum. But I would love to see how long this actually lasts, but we'll save that for another time. So we'll set this back over here. What else does it come with? It comes with, as you can see, I've already kind of played around with it a little bit. It comes with 3 flavors: pecan, apple, and cherry. And as a person who likes to smoke their foods, apple and cherry are kind of like my go-to, but I'm really interested in the pecan. So I kind of was just testing it out, kind of getting a feel with it. So that's a little bit of pecan there that we're actually going to make a drink with. And then it comes with this nice untreated board where you can do everything with. And of course, it comes with its own capture canister. So I'll show you guys how that works. And for our choice of deliciousness to smoke is a brand new bottle of billets. So what we're going to do is we're going to heat this up as the instructions say to do. So we're just going to hit that. Okay, let that smoke up just a little bit. Take our glass and we're going to snuff that out just so. And then from doing that, as you can see, the glass starts to fill. While that's filling, what we're going to do is crack open a brand new bottle. All right, nice and easy. Okay, we got that. Ah, all right, so we got that smoking. So what we're going to do is you got to grab it, capture it, we're going to fill it, and then we're going to let that sit. We're going to swirl it, and then we're also going to put some smoke in my rock glass to give it some extra goodness, right? So what we're going to do is just lift that, capture it. Going to pour ourselves a good amount of some goodness here. Capture that up. And then it says to swirl that. All right, we're going to leave that right there for a second. Put the lid back on. And I'm going to add just a little bit more heat. And we're going to smoke the glass out. A little bit of that. And we're going to put that on there. Smoke the glass out. Wait a few minutes. And we are going to see if it all is what it's cracked up to be. So as you can see, the glass is filling. I think that's good enough because I'm thirsty. So we have our smoked item here. And we'll just go ahead and take this off right now. We'll flip this. Pour that in. And just for fun, we'll leave that just like that, just to kind of put that out. So here we go. This is that pecan that they have. Very woodsy. Kind of snuff that out a little bit. Very woodsy. I like that nutty smell that it provides. It's a clean wood smell. That is a masculine smokiness to it. And it's actually covering the entire spirit itself. And it's giving it something totally different. Now let's go ahead and dive into the taste. Yep. Yep. Hands down, that has upped my drinking pleasure. That, like, I didn't want to stop. Like, it just tastes really good. And that smokiness is adding to that barrel woodness, that woodsy barrel profile that bourbons carry, whiskeys, scotches. I'm sure with scotches, this is going to be, it's going to take it to a whole new level with that peatness, right? That mossiness of scotches. Um, I don't know why more bars don't smoke glasses like this. Now, it also says you can do cocktails, mocktails, ice. You can do all sorts of things with this. I think it would be great if you're trying to have like a high end sort of experience. A smoked beverage is the way to go. I would break this out for special occasions, that special bottle. Um, I think that would be the best thing. Like if you're really trying to take a very aged scotch and you want to elevate it, I'd smoke it. Things of that nature. For fun and showing off, absolutely. But if you're a person who's into tasting and having that connoisseur sort of prowess, I would get yourself one of these from these guys. Definitely take a look at these guys right there. And no, they are not paying me for this. This is just a genuine, out of the box review. And I want to say thank you to Kelly for providing this for me. And thank you to everybody watching on Twitch. I really do appreciate you catching me live. And until next time, guys, cheers. Definitely take a look at these guys. These guys are awesome. Cheers.